today I'm gonna be doing a lot of different things, but I'm not gonna be putting all the mods that I'm gonna be doing in one video. So it just won't make sense to do it that way. So I'm gonna be trying to knock much as I can out today, and I will just break it apart. So the part one, part two, part three, whatever it may be. So that way I don't make like 1 hour plus just one video, right? So I'm gonna try to break it down for you guys, and hopefully this video you guys find it useful and helpful. And yeah, let's get into it. Enough talking, I guess, right? So we are in front of the car right now, and I had these headlights, just very nice looking headlights. I had this about almost a year, I would say, or a little bit over a year. The car been broken down for a long time, but you can see it's very high quality. Even the headlights were sitting outside, they are super clean. There is no fade, no peeling, no anything like that. So these headlights are really good quality, and another one also, it's pretty good. No fade, no anything like that. Just a little dirty right here, need to be cleaned, but it's all good to go. But at the same time, how much I love these are great headlights for with some built LEDs in them, instead what the car comes with, which is this one is a little bit older. It was 2019. All of them, they came as halogen bulb headlights. So this thing, I forgot from who, but anyways, it was a great deal and a great product, and it worked. But I got another upgrade for the headlights long time ago, before the car blew up, and I never changed them. So today's install, we're gonna be replacing the headlights with the Morimoto headlights V1 or version 1, because they have version 2. I was thinking maybe trying to sell because they're brand new, sell mine and get the version 2. But to be honest, I think I kind of like the version 1. Version 2, it looks amazing also. But I'm like, you know what? I have them already. I'm not gonna go crazy. Let me try them at least, right? If I don't like them, we'll sell them again and get something else. That's what we do as a YouTubers, I guess, right? But here is the thing: the bumper needs to come off. You guys can see this one. I fixed it. It was holding pretty good for like 2 weeks or so. Then it sagged because these holes right here are very thin. It's just not holding. It just can't support that much weight on the bumper. And a bunch of these clips are broken already. So I have the replacement for this, because I just hate the way how it looks. Looks ridiculous. So we're gonna be replacing the grill also, headlights, grill, and I have engine under tray, which is we're gonna be installing also that, because I don't have one and it's raining, and kind of drive this car every day now, so I don't want a lot of water going over there and it cause problems. And my Cobra intake is just right there. We're sitting tied a little bit, but kind of want to wash it today. Maybe I'll do that. We'll see. It's raining. I don't know how long it will take to dry, but we'll see how we're gonna do with that. So there is a lot of stuff I did too. Thank God. Alhamdulillah. There is a lot of things I need to get done. I need to take the bumper out. I showed you guys many times. I've done it. It's easy. A lot of people do. Just removing all these clips right here. I know there is a bunch of tabs right here also. Remove them. Remove the screws on the side, both sides. And there is some clips in the bottom of it. Get to those, and the bumper should come off. It's very simple. You have to jack the car for sure. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And we'll get into it. All right, guys, so the bumper is out. Now we're gonna tackle a couple bolts. So we have this one here, And we have another one straight down right there. You see that that way? So there is one over there, and there is this one right here. Yeah, I think that's all. It has only 3 bolts, I believe. So yeah, we do that. And if there is any another one, I'll let you know. Oh yeah, and there is this one right here. I was thinking, I was like, I think there's 4. So there is one here, here, and here. We're good to go. Same thing also. Same places. Do that. And we should be good. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. I opened this box a long time ago. Check them out. So, here they are. This is the Morimoto headlights. Let me take this off. You can see it. Then this is really good build. I'm shaking inside a little bit. It looks really sweet. It's amazing. It has a lot more details in person than pictures, to be honest. Pictures, it doesn't really give you. Definitely will look a lot amazing in person. Dude, guys, these things look amazing in person. Look at this. Look all that details inside. That sharp nose kind of thing right there. Looks amazing. So you can cover the light in one direction. Nice. You can see kind of through this white stripe right here. You can see the LED behind it type of thing. Nice smoked inside. Super high quality stuff. Looks amazing. I'm super excited to install it. Yes sir. So this thing will be right there. Hell yeah. So this is the old headlight. The back of it, you see this plastic right here. So you see this is the top, this is bottom right here. It is 2 bolts right here. We gotta take those ones off to transfer it to the new one. So those ones, and I believe these tabs right here also, the top ones. So let's do that. They are 10 millimeters also. There we go, guys. That's it. Looking nice. Woo. All right, let me turn it on. Let's see. Damn. Don't tell me that thing doesn't look good. Holy moly. Holy moly. what do you guys think? Should I leave this style or this style? So there is a wire. There is a wire right here that you unhook if you want it to be sequential. I mean sequential or not sequential. So I think I'm gonna leave the sequential for now, and we'll change it later if we wanted to.